Today I'm making these adorable bunny topiaries using mostly Dollar Tree supplies, and they cost less than $5 each to make. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Creatively Expressive. My name is Amy, and in today's video I have a quick and easy spring DIY to share with you. For today's craft, I'm starting with 2 rattan wicker balls that I found at Goodwill. I see these all the time there in the bags filled with miscellaneous items. For this project, I'll also be using 2 2.3-inch styrofoam balls, some decorative twine carrots from Dollar Tree, a few wooden dowels, and 2 round wood plaques from Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is find and mark the center of each wood plaque. Then I'll drill holes into the centers that are the same size as my wooden dowels. Next, I'm going to make a hole in the rattan balls large enough to thread the dowel through. Once that's done, I'll hot glue the end of each dowel into the hole in the wood plaque. Now I'm going to stain the plaques using Waverly Antique Wax. I'll brush it on with a paintbrush and then wipe away the excess with a lint-free cloth to give the wood a warm, aged look. Next, I'll hold a styrofoam ball up next to the dowel on top of the rattan ball and mark where I want to cut the dowel. Then I'll use my miter shears to cut it at the mark. After that, I'll push the remaining dowels through the styrofoam balls so they sit right on top of the rattan balls. Next, I'm taking 4 of the carrots from Dollar Tree and I'm going to pull the orange twine off of them, so I'm left with the styrofoam shapes that resemble bunny ears. Then I'll hot glue small dowels into the holes left by the greenery that was originally in the carrot tops. Next, I'll cut the dowels short enough so they can be pushed into the tops of the styrofoam balls. Once they're cut, I'll insert them into the balls and secure them with hot glue. Now we have what resembles a bunny head. Next, I'll be painting the bunny heads using the color Christmas green. Once the paint has dried, I'll be covering the heads with Spanish moss. If you enjoy easy budget DIYs like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. The moss comes in one large clump, so I like to cut it into smaller pieces before using it. Now I'm going to take my hot glue gun set to the low temperature and begin adding glue in small sections to the bunny head, starting with the ears. I'll add a small amount of glue, grab a bunch of moss and press it into place. Whenever I do this, I grab more moss than I actually need, so the extra layers protect my fingers from the hot glue. Once the glue is covered, I'll shake off the excess moss and give it a little haircut so the shape underneath can really be seen. I'll continue this process, adding small sections of glue, covering it with moss, and trimming it until everything is covered except the bottom section of the head. Before covering that final section, I'll hot glue the bunny heads onto the rattan ball bodies. Then I'll finish covering the remaining area with moss. I wanted to give the bunnies little bow ties. At first I planned to use regular jute twine, but then I thought it would be fun to use the orange twine from the carrots instead. So I made 2 little double loop shoelace bows, one for each bunny. Then I'll add a small amount of hot glue to the back of each bow and attach them to the bunnies. And once that's done, this project is complete. This DIY was cheap, quick, and easy, but I think these little bunny topiaries turned out so cute. I hope you enjoyed today's project and found a little inspiration. Let me know in the comments section, would you decorate these bunnies for spring or Easter? If you'd like to support my channel, a few free and easy ways to help are: subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, leave a quick comment, even just an emoji, and share it with someone who might enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support more than you know. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!